Hello everyone, welcome to another module on SSKill channel with me, Sharif. Today we will talk about basics of Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a web-based application that enables users to create, update and modify spreadsheets and share the data online in real time. Google's product offers typical spreadsheet features such as the ability to add, delete and sort rows and columns. But unlike other spreadsheet programs, Google Sheets also enables multiple geographically dispersed users to collaborate on a spreadsheet at the same time and chat through a built-in instant messaging program. Users can upload spreadsheets directly from their computers or mobile devices. The application saves every change automatically and users can see other users' changes as they are being made. Google Sheets is included as part of the Google Docs editor suite of free web applications. This suite also includes Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Drawings, Google Forms, Google Sites, and Google Keep. Google Sheets is typically used for spreadsheet collaboration across different geographic locations. Multiple users can modify a Google Sheets document in real time with changes tracked for each individual user. The Google Sheets online spreadsheet application enables users to create, edit, and format spreadsheets online to organize and analyze information. Google Sheets is often compared to Microsoft Excel, as both applications are used for similar purposes. Google Sheets is essentially Google's cloud-based version of Microsoft Excel's basic features. Users can create and edit spreadsheets via Google Sheets online web application as well as through mobile devices running on iOS or Android. To use Google Sheets, a valid email address is required. Google Sheets enables users to do the following: edit and format spreadsheets. Spreadsheet items can be added, edited, formatted, and applied to formulas and functions through Google Sheets. Analyze. Google Sheets can visualize spreadsheet data in charts, graphs, and tables. User can share Google Sheets documents and folders with others for real-time collaboration. Users can open and import Google Sheets files into other document formats including Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Adobe PDF, and PNG. Google Sheets includes these features: spreadsheet editing and formatting. This includes operations and functions for data entry, data summary, text translation, data import, data validation, data protection, cleaning to return text with unprintable characters removed, and trimming to remove spaces that may be leading, trailing, or repeated in text. Filtering data by conditions such as date, alphabetical or numerical order, custom conditions, and heat maps, which use colors to represent the density of data points in the table, and basic and advanced formulas. Users can generate spreadsheet data for graphs, charts, and other types of diagrams and embed them in websites. Machine learning based features. The Explore feature uses machine learning to build charts, create pivot tables, and answer questions about the data. It can auto-update based on selected data. Even when not connected to the internet, Sheets can edit offline and changes will update once an internet connection is restored. Compatibility. Sheets documents are compatible with a variety of formats including Excel, XLS, Apache, OpenOffice, PDF text, HTML, and CSV, that means comma-separated values. Google product integration. Google Sheets can be integrated with other Google services such as Drawing, Finance Forms, and Translate. It is also compatible with Microsoft Files and shares many of the same keyboard shortcuts. Collaboration features. Emails can be sent when other collaborators make comments or changes to the shared spreadsheet, and users can view the version history. Security. Users can manage permissions for editing, downloading, copying, or printing for specific collaborators through individual, group, or domain level access. Google Sheet is often compared to Microsoft Office Excel, as they are both spreadsheet applications with many of the same core features. Here are a few ways in which Google Sheets and Excel differ. Price. Google Sheets for personal use is free, while Excel requires an Office 365 subscription. Google Sheets for business use with extra features requires a Google Workspace subscription. Type of application. Google Sheets is a cloud-based web application, while Microsoft 365 is accessed through the internet using a web browser. Collaboration. Typically, Google Sheets is preferred for collaboration as it is fully web-based, while Excel has an online version. It does not have fully functionality. Data processing. The speed and performance of Google Sheets can be limited by an internet connection or if the maximum storage limit is neared. Excel can store 17 million cells as opposed to the limit on Google Sheets, which is 5 million cells. Features. While Google Sheets has the core features of a spreadsheet application, its offerings are rather basic. Excel has a large range of features and functions for specialized purposes, as well as more customization options and built-in formulas. Integration. Excel integrates with other Microsoft applications such as Power BI, while Google Sheets integrates with Google Web applications such as Google Drive, Google Data Studio. They are less ubiquitous in enterprise settings. Support. Both Sheets and Excel have extensive support communities. Google offers help articles and an interactive community forum for Sheets. Microsoft offers a community help forum and an Excel-specific learning hub. Google Sheets is a cloud-based web application that is often compared to Microsoft Excel. While it can make collaboration easy and provides many of the core spreadsheet functions of Excel, it is less ideal when specialized functions are needed. Google Sheets is a powerful cloud-based spreadsheet tool that can be used to store, manipulate, and analyze data. It offers a range of features that make it an ideal choice for business of all sizes to manage their data. Additionally, Google Sheets provides users with the ability to collaborate in real time, allowing for more efficient communication and decision making. Here are some benefits for your business. Organize. With Google Sheets, organizing your data is simple and efficient. You can easily create custom spreadsheets for different types of data and store them in the cloud, allowing you to access the information anywhere at any time. Automation. Google Sheets can automate mundane tasks such as consolidating data and updating formulas. Cost efficiency. Google Sheets is a free app and is available to anyone who has a Google account. There are no subscription fees or hidden charges. Collaboration. Google Sheets enables real-time collaboration with co-workers, so teams can work on the same spreadsheet at the same time from anywhere. Integration with other software. Another benefit of using Google Sheets is its integration with other software. This means that you can easily sync your data across multiple applications, making it easier for you to access and update information. You can also use Google Sheets to integrate with third-party apps like Salesforce and QuickBooks, allowing you to quickly pull in relevant data from those sources. Spreadsheets are customizable. Spreadsheets are highly customizable, especially if you know how to use their multitude of formulas and functions. You can create any type of document with a spreadsheet, even a calendar. Google Spreadsheet limitations. Google Spreadsheets are extremely powerful and convert very well from Excel, but they do have some limitations. Google Sheets can process 18,278 columns. When Google Sheets processes 10 million cells of data, it cannot keep up with the new updates you make to your spreadsheets. 40,000 new rows at a time. Number of tabs, 200 sheets per workbook. A single Google Sheet cell can store 50,000 characters. Google Sheets removes any cell with more than 50,000 characters when converting an MS Excel spreadsheet to Google Sheets. Maximum string length is 50,000 characters. Google Sheet interface. Now I'll talk about the interface of Google Sheet. You must know Google Sheet terms to kick things off. Let's cover some spreadsheet terminology you will need to know when using Google Sheets. Cell, a single data point or element in a spreadsheet. Column, a vertical set of cells. Row, a horizontal set of cells. number of tabs 200 sheets per workbook. Range, a selection of cells extending across a row, column or both. Function, a built-in operation from the spreadsheet app you will use to calculate cell, row, column or range values, manipulate data and more. Formula, the combination of functions, cells, rows, columns and ranges used to obtain a specific result. Worksheet or sheet, the named sets of rows and columns that make up your spreadsheet. One spreadsheet can have multiple sheets. Spreadsheet, the entire document containing your worksheet. Now I will give you an overview of Google Sheet. Google Sheet are made of two pieces, the ribbon and the sheet. Have a look at the picture. The ribbon is marked with a red rectangle and the sheet is marked with a yellow rectangle. Let's start with explaining the ribbon. The ribbon provides shortcut to Google Sheets commands, and command is an action that allows you to make something happen. This can also example be to insert a chart, change the font size or to change the color of cells. The ribbon is made up of the Sheets home, menu bar, quick access toolbar, group and commands. In the selection we will explain the different parts of ribbon. Sheets home. The Sheets home button takes you to Google Sheet start page where you can create new workbooks or visit your previous workbook. Menu bar. The menu bar allows you to perform different actions on your workbook. Quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar has the most popular actions from the menu. Groups. The groups are sets of related commands on the quick access toolbar. The groups are separated by the thin vertical line break. Commands. The commands are the buttons that you use to do actions. Okay friends, now let's have a look at the sheet. This is a Google Sheet interface. The sheet is a set of rows and columns. It forms the same pattern as we have in Excel workbook or math exercise books. The rectangle boxes formed by the pattern are called cells. These are cells. Here values can be typed to cells. Values can be both numbers and letters. Have a look. Here I wrote a cell, hello everyone, in cell C4, the column C and the row 4, and the reference you can find the left corner side. Please be noted that the reference of the cell is its coordinates. For example, C4 has the coordinates of the column C and the row 4. Then I will talk about the multiple sheets. We can have many sheets in a workbook. New sheets can be added or removed. First, click the plus icon. We see here add sheet. Just click the plus icon and we find different workbook here. Then just press right button and rename. We used the name relevant sheet and XYZ rename. So we can change the name here, the sheet name, and if the sheet not required, press right button and just delete the workbook. So we can add and remove the multiple sheets from our workbook. A tips for you: you can use the hotkey Shift plus function 11 to create new sheets. You can try it. Okay, friends, let's summarize about the Google Sheet interface. The workbook has two main components, the ribbon and the sheet. The ribbon is used to navigate and access commands. The sheet is made up of columns and rows which make cells. Each cell has its unique reference. You can add new sheets to your workbook and name them. Friends, that's all for today about basics of Google Sheets. Thank you for being with me and watching this video. In the next video, you will learn more about the sheet formulas, ranges and functions. Please do subscribe for more topics about Excel, Power Query, Power BI and Google Data Studio. What you want to learn from this channel. Thank you very much again. Goodbye.